Hey folks, welcome to another Math Notes video. This is Mr. Jewell talking, and we're going to be looking at section 2.1.3, line of best fit. So this should be a really quick Math Notes. We're just going to take a look at this graph here. We have a graph that's a scatter plot, you may recall that from last year, of two sets of data. We have an X and Y that we're comparing. Now usually we would have some units on that graph. This one doesn't have any units, so we're just looking at the dots. And we're imagining that there's a line drawn through there, and that's the line of best fit. Let's look what we have, the official definition here. A line of best fit is a straight line that represents, in general, data on a scatter plot as shown in the diagram. This line does not need to touch any of the actual data points, nor does it need to go through the origin. The line of best fit is a model of numerical two-variable data that helps describe the data in order to make predictions for other data. So that last bit is pretty important, okay? We are going to use the data that we have in order to make predictions for other data. In other words, to fill in gaps in our data. You know, if we're collecting information on, say, the number of people that come into the store, maybe that's our x-axis. So maybe we're going to say people in store. That a little smaller, and our y-axis, maybe it's the number of items sold. I'm just making that up. So items sold. And let's say we just recorded these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points here. And we saw that when we had one person in the store, we sold 2 items. And we had 2 people in the store, it looks like we sold 1, 2, 3 items. 3 people in the store, we're selling, you know, maybe 4 or 5 items there. And we want to predict, well, how many would we sell if we had 7 people in the store? We didn't actually record 7 people in the store, so we make a line through here, and we estimate it based on that line. Which is question number 2 on your questions on this video. So, you know, that's an important takeaway for scatter plots, is that we use the data that we have in order to make predictions on data that we don't have. So guys, that's it for the video. Have a good night.